Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Arizona and love birds like a parrot or cockatiel and would like to know more about all birds in your state? If you love birds and currently living in Arizona, then the Birds Arizona Field Guide will be the product for you. Now you can learn how to identify birds by using this field guide, which is prepared by Stan Tequila. Easily identify birds as this field guide offers full-page, color photos which are incomparable and includes insects of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in the book because of the easy-to-use format. This item is ideal for kids, the library, schools, or for collection. This field guide is a real pleasure to use and a tool to learn more about birds in Arizona. Now is the perfect time to get this field guide. Grab the Birds Arizona Field Guide today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Arizona. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.